Commercialization. The idea isn't new. There are similar designs in the market. For example, the left one has a box from the Monolith CNC milled aluminium, Hypex 2x500 watt module using onboard balanced inputs. Everything is done with a love to the project. The only concern is the heat dispatch. This Hypex module has a kilowatt capacity that we are dealing with a 20 watt continuous idle heat dispatch. It is hard to dispatch heat through the compact sealed aluminium case. Continuous high temperature may reduce the lifespan of the Hypex module, draining out electrolytic capacitors. When you develop your design, think and learn how to calculate heat dispatch. It will distinguish great designs from the good ones. Belcanto design has a large box and half power to be dispatched. Good competitor, relevant design. China Designs has been in the market for 5 or more years. This company is specializing in box design for popular OEM Class D amplifier manufacturer models. I haven't heard much in the forums. Strange. Apollon Audio, using IcePower highest power modules and nice boxes, utilize onboard preamplifier circuits, targeting high-priced audience. There are variations of offerings. Belcanto similar design to China company with a higher price tag. Nordic Acoustics, similar approach, but better overall pricing.